If you're tired of Telegram notifications popping up on your screen and interrupting your workflow, meetings, or just your downtime, you're not alone. In this updated 2025 guide, I'll walk you through the best methods to silence Telegram's pop-up notifications, whether you're using Windows or Mac. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to control what you see and hear from Telegram, so you can stay focused without missing out on the important stuff. Let's jump right in, starting with how to manage notifications directly inside the Telegram desktop app itself. This method gives you pretty fine-grained control, and it works great for both Windows and Mac users. First, open up your Telegram desktop application. If you have a lot of apps open, take a moment to find Telegram from your taskbar or launchpad. Sometimes it helps just to search for it. Once the app's open, look to the very top left corner. You'll see three horizontal lines stacked together. That's the menu icon. Click right there. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Sometimes searching for settings in apps can feel a bit like hunting around in a maze, but Telegram makes it pleasantly straightforward. Once you're in the Settings area, head over to Notifications and Sounds. This section is your control center for everything related to notification interruptions. Inside these settings, pay special attention to two main categories: message notifications and group notifications. This lets you tailor what pops up for private chats, groups, or even channel messages. To make sure those notification banners, those little pop-up boxes that appear on your screen, are a thing of the past, simply toggle off desktop notifications. It's a small switch, but flipping it turns off those banners instantly. If you also find the sound alerts distracting, maybe you've got headphones on or you're in a shared space, toggle off sound. No more pinging each time a message lands. A thoughtful extra step for privacy or just to minimize distractions is to uncheck message preview. What this does is hide the actual message content from any notification that does get through, so if someone's standing behind you, your messages stay private. Now, if you want to get a little more advanced, Telegram also has a scheduled Do Not Disturb feature built in. Say you're working late or you don't want notifications while you're sleeping or in class, you can automate silencing those notifications for specific hours. Just set your schedule and Telegram will handle the rest. One last option inside the Telegram app: maybe there's a particular group chat or channel that's blowing up, but you don't want to mute everything. No problem. Just right-click on that particular conversation, whether it's a friend, a group, or a channel, and select Mute. Telegram gives you choices for how long you want it muted, whether that's a few hours or until you unmute it manually. Don't worry if you change your mind, you can always undo it. Now, maybe you've tinkered with all those in-app settings and you're still seeing notifications on screen, or you simply prefer to handle things at the operating system level. That brings us to our second method, which involves your computer's own notification controls. If you're on Windows 10 or 11, start by opening the Settings app. The quickest way, just hit Windows key plus I on your keyboard. Once you're in, navigate to System and then click on Notifications. Scroll down a bit until you see a list labeled Notifications from Apps and Other Senders. Here you'll find Telegram listed. Toggle Telegram to off and voila, all notifications from Telegram are blocked at the system level. If you want more control, click on the Telegram name instead of the switch, and you'll see options for things like banners, sounds, and notification priority, so you can pick exactly how much you want to see. For those times when you want total quiet, maybe during meetings or late at night, Windows has a handy Do Not Disturb mode accessible from the Quick Settings panel. You can turn this on manually or even schedule it for recurring times, so you're never caught off guard by notifications at the wrong moment. So that's it. With these easy methods, you can finally stop Telegram notifications from appearing on your screen and take control of your digital life. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit like, and if you have any questions or run into anything tricky, drop a comment below and I'll help you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips like this. I'm always here to make your digital world a little bit easier. Thanks for watching and see you next time.